Hi, Uzair is here with Cisco Tech Firewall team. In this video, I want to show you how you can register Secure Firewall Device Manager (FDM) to Cisco Defense Orchestrator (CDO). Let's get started. Log into your Firewall Device Manager with admin credentials using a web browser. For this demo, I'm using a Firepower Threat Defense hosted on Azure running 728. So first thing we need to verify is that the FDM has internet access and can resolve fully qualified domain names. Log into the FTD CLI and then go to the expert shell. From the expert shell, you can try pinging any URL on the internet to verify that the FTD has internet access. Next, you need to make sure that the inbound access from the CDO IP addresses is being allowed on the FDM. The reference to the CDO IP addresses can be found on the Cisco official guide. Next, log into your Cisco Defense Orchestrator with your user account. From the CDO dashboard, click on Inventory and then click on Onboard Device button on the top right corner. Then select FTD. From the Onboard FTD device page, select FDM. Please note that the FDM button is not enabled by default. If you do not see the FDM button for your CDO tenant, please contact tax support for further assistance. For this demo, I will be using the registration key method to onboard the FDM. Click on Use Registration Key, give your FDM a name, and then click Next. On the Database Update section, choose if you want to perform security updates and enable recurring updates for this FDM, and then click Next. On the Registration Key section, copy the registration key auto-generated by CDO, and then click Next. This registration key will be used to register FDM to CDO. Next is the Smart Licensing. Click on Cisco Smart Software Manager to go to your Cisco Smart account, and then click on New Token to generate a new token. Click on the blue Create Token button to create a new token, and then click on the blue pop-up button to copy the token, and then navigate back to the CDO. On the CDO page, right under Activate, paste the token, and then click on Next. Click on Go to Inventory page, and from the Inventory page under Device Details, copy the registration key and switch over to the FDM GUI. From the FDM, under System Settings, click on See More, and then select Cloud Services. On the Cloud Services page, select Security/CD account as your enrollment type, and then from under the Region drop-down menu, select the correct region for your CDO tenant. Paste the registration key, and then click on Register to start the FDM registration process to the CDO. The registration can take a few minutes to complete. Click on the task list to monitor the registration process. Once the registration is completed, the FDM will show up as registered to the CDO. Also, you can verify the same by navigating back to the CDO. And on the inventory page, you can verify that the FDM is now registered to the CDO and is now showing up as online. This FDM device can now be co-managed through CDO and FDM. Thank you for watching.